Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Command APS integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, sport suspension, wireless audio streaming, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,